There goes the fire alarm, and the doggiest fireman in town is right on his toes. Chief is his name, and he's #1 member of Engine Company #2, Olyphant, Pennsylvania. To the fire, boys, and drive like blazes. Chief is the idol of the lady pooches, and right now he's giving them all a ring. Must be a big fire. The chief hopes that it's the dog pound. Up with the ladder, boys. Oh, fireman, save my dolly. Careful there, Chief, or you'll be just another hot dog. Ah, good going. You're a real fireman, Chief. So the little girl gets back her dolly. Ah, nice doggy. And for bravery under fire and smoke, the boys are voting him a raise. 2 bones a day and a snappy new lid.